understand? Got a party coming up, you know what I'm saying? For Easter Sunday, baby. You know what I'm saying? Crown sexy, man. You heard?
Yeah.
Keep it moving. You know what I'm saying?
Yo, the best party place for Easter Sunday. You see me? Remember, I support my main bro.
Yeah.
Yo, Planamu Sound, yo.
Yeah, you already know it's Mystic Vibe in the building. DJ Patron, you know, DJ Billy not here right now, but you know, Easter Sunday, Planamu Entertainment, Planamu Sound, doing their thing. Easter Sunday up in 167 and 3rd Ave.
Easter Sunday, y'all already know, you know what I'm saying? The 24th best party place, you know what I'm saying?
We are peoples to go represent Honduras en Guatemala, Quiero que toda la flota llegue al party porque hay mujeres para rapar junto al DJ Planamu, Ariel, DJ Patango, hasta lo mejor, ya tú sabes, junto a Papi Rico también, DJ man.
Tenemos un party el 24 de este mes, así que estaremos con los mejores DJ en la tarima. Estaremos con DJ Ariel, DJ Patango, representando DJ, estaremos con Planamu Sound, estaremos con mucha gente. Easter Party. You know it is Planamu. Ajá. Hey, real dandara in the place. You know, tú sabes cómo es la cosa. Easter Sunday. Ay, para que todo el mundo la rebane en paz y en ambiente. Wow.
April 24th, Easter Sunday.
Let them know. 167 3rd Avenue. Be there, be square.
Best party place, Planamu Sound is gonna be on.
You heard? Garifuna Outlawz.
Boom.